Looking for a dependable replacement for your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra keyless entry remote? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment 4-button keyless entry remote offers exactly what you need. Designed specifically for 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado, 2015 to 2018 GMC Canyon, and 2014-2018 GMC Sierra models, this remote combines convenience and reliability in one compact device. What sets this remote apart? It's an OEM part, recommended by General Motors, ensuring it fits perfectly and performs just like the original. You get 4 essential buttons: lock, unlock, panic, and remote start. That means you can secure your vehicle, trigger the alarm in emergencies, and even start your engine remotely, all at your fingertips. The remote comes with batteries included, so it's ready to go once programmed. Programming is simple but requires a professional touch. A local automotive locksmith can handle the setup quickly, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues or technical glitches. One user shared their experience. The remote worked flawlessly after dealer programming, with only about half an hour of labor charged. That's peace of mind knowing you're getting a genuine GM part backed by quality and durability. If you're tired of unreliable aftermarket remotes or dealing with worn-out buttons, this ACDelco remote is worth a look. It offers the same service life and performance you expect from GM, keeping your vehicle secure and accessible without hassle. Plus, the sleek black sides with no logo give it a clean, discreet appearance that blends seamlessly with your vehicle's design. Ready to upgrade your keyless entry experience? Whether you need a replacement for a lost remote or want to restore full functionality to your vehicle's security system, the ACDelco GM Original 4-button keyless entry remote delivers. Try it when you're ready to enjoy smooth, reliable control over your Chevy or GMC's locks and remote start features.